Welcome to the 2014 winter.
Still fall.
No. Ow, that hurts.
Here, grab my stick. Here, grab my other stick.
That was cold.
Yeah.
I got you with the snowball. You look like Santa, honey.
Ho, ho, ho.
Hey everyone, so I'm making dinner. So I am making rosemary lemon chicken. So, I know, it's the green bag. I still have, like, the bags from the holiday season stuff. But, you know, whatever. It's a bag. Just a bag. So, what's in it is rosemary seasoning with lemon and pepper seasoning. And then I marinated it in lemon juice. So, I'm making rosemary lemon chicken for dinner tonight. There's my pan. Put this to 375. I hate this. Like, I have to like, turn it to make sure it goes to 65. 10 more. 75. Hey! Such a pain in the butt. So, I'm starting this new diet thing. I mean, I know I'm skinny, but it's just like more of a detox when I do work out, because I'm planning on working out more. I have to eat more protein than normal, so I have to eat chicken on a daily basis or some sort of meat. And then I got my detox drink going. It's supposed to be more of a detox drink, but it's more of like a flavored citrus drink. But it definitely makes me feel like I'm cleansing my body of all the nasty stuff. The nasty stuff. And then we're going to have sweet peas to go with that. I'm excited. And it's like, it's a thing that I made up myself. I'm going to see how good it works. Hi, sweetums.
Yeah.
You want to show them what outside looks like now? I feel like it's a blizzard. Michael says it's not a blizzard. I'm just
blizzard
like, no.
is blowing snow and drifting and shit. That's what a blizzard is. This isn't blizzard. There's hardly any wind.
No, it's supposed to hit like blizzard type of thing.
Really?
Yeah, tonight. The wind is supposed to pick up.
Okay, I'll believe you. I just say right now, it's not a blizzard. It's just like a lot of snow.
Hi,
look, coffee. And 6 o'clock in the evening.
Yes.
I say I'm addicted is just a slight understatement.
You're addicted.
I'm addicted.
You sounded like you just called yourself a dick.
Dickhead. I'm a dickhead. I'm a dickhead to coffee. A dickhead to coffee. What's up, guys? So, catch up to speed up what we got going on now. Been playing the hell out of Killzone for, I know, 8 hours so far. We're not done yet. But, this one here has been playing some Sims on her new laptop. So she's a happy camper finally.
You seem less enthusiastic about our day, honey.
This day's been kind of weird. Like, yeah, I spent all day shooting the shit out of people. Like, getting the draw on them first and shooting the shit out of them. And they're like meat wagons. They just take the bullets and keep on coming. I'm like, who are you, fucking Terminator? So, yeah. So somebody made us a lovely dinner tonight. We got some chicken and sweet baby peas.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. How do you feel about that?
I'm ready to eat and see how good this actually tastes.
Awesome. So how'd you make it this time?
Oh, I already explained that.
Never mind.
Yes. Never mind.
It's an earthquake cam.
Again.
Earthquake cam.
Okay,
You look so calm during the earthquake.
Okay, Toby. Kitchen.
Alright, we'll be back.
Kitchen. Hello. Hey, Jiggy Jiggers. Oh, look at the Jiggy Jiggers. Jiggy Jigger Ticks. Jiggy Jigger Ticks. You gonna say peace out and deuces with us, little buddy? He's like, sure. Can I snuggle too? Alright, guys. So we're gonna say peace out.
Deuces.
And we're actually saying it on the day
Of the vlog.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's rarity.
Oh, jeez. Hey.
Scared the shit out of your cat.
I did. So anyhow, we love you guys, and we will talk to you tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We had a lot of fun playing in the snow, and I hope you guys had fun playing in the snow with us, because you were there. You were totally there. If you weren't like actually here in person, you were still there. You still watched it. You still felt like you were there, or at least I hope you felt like you were there.
I'm stretching a little bit, but hey, you never know.
Maybe.
Yeah, the power of the imagination.
Power of the imagination. Okay, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. We love you, and see ya
Later.
later. Daisy toes, daisy toes. Yes, dance. I dance with my puppy.
She's abusing the dog.
Good
Dog
boy.
abuse.
Good boy. Here, here. We will slow dance. No dance with the puppy. Oh, you want to slow dance, Tubbs?
He's like, yeah, that's exactly what I had in mind.
Huh?